Hi everyone, I just wanted to leave a short testimonial about the wonderful way in which Penny, Dr. Zoolittle from Pet and Parent Longevity have helped me care for my beautiful Labrador Ruby. I was always taught to give the kibble, the dried food. I went for the most expensive. I thought I was doing the right thing until I met Penny, and she was telling me how it's heat processed, I think 6 or 7 times, and there's virtually no nutrition in it. And so I've changed Ruby to a fresh food diet. What a concept. Because I do that for me, because I'm very healthy. And what a difference it's made. It's been probably 4 weeks now. And the thing I've noticed most is Ruby's coat. I was forever vacuuming up the hair that she shed, and she's not shedding any hair now. Her coat is so thick and luscious and bright and vibrant. She's more energetic now. I mean, Ruby's 11 now, so she's not a young dog, but she's more energetic on our walks. And she just looks the picture of health. And so I just wanted to say a sincere thank you from the bottom of my heart to Penny for just transforming Ruby's life. She's part of the family. She's so loved. And I feel ashamed. I didn't know before, but now I know. I believe that I can care for Ruby in a much more powerful and loving way. And so anybody, I believe, would be enriched by talking to Penny and hearing what she has to say in guiding us all on how we can care for our beloved pets in a better, more loving way. So thank you, Penny, and I hope that this short video might inspire others to step up in the way that they care for their beloved pets. Thank you. God bless.